Happy Monday. I hope you all had an excellent weekend and thank you so much for coming back for another CGI problem. So for CGI today, like always, you will need a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. I'll be reading this problem today 3 times, so make sure you're following along while I'm reading the problem. So the problem says, there was 4 tables in the lunchroom. Each table had 5 kipsters. How many kipsters were in the lunchroom? There was 4 tables in the lunchroom. Each table had 5 kipsters. How many kipsters were in the lunchroom? There was 4 tables in the lunchroom. How many tables? 4. Each table had 5 kipsters. How many kipsters? 5. How many kipsters were in the lunchroom? So before we get started, do you all think that we're going to have more or less than 5 kipsters in the lunchroom? If you said more, you're correct. We're going to have more than 5 kipsters. So now what should we do next? Correct. We should draw our picture to help solve the problem. So since we know that we have 4 tables in the lunchroom, what's the first thing we should draw? 4 tables. You guys are so smart. So I have already started drawing my picture and I've drawn 4 tables. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to give you a second to draw your 4 tables. All right, so now that we have our 4 tables, now we need to go into each of our tables and put how many kipsters? 5 kipsters. So in our first table, let's go right in and draw 5 kipsters. Let's make sure that we're counting as we're drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put the number 5 under my first table. Now the next table we need to put 5 more kipsters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's put the number 5 under our table as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't really have room under, so I'm just going to put a 5 right on the side. Now I want you all to go in and I want you to count out loud the 5 kipsters for our last table. Perfect. We almost had 100%. Now I want to hear everyone to go back and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And I'm going to put a 5 on the side. So now that we have all of our tables and we have all of our kipsters, what should we do now? Should we add all of our kipsters together or should we take some of our kipsters away from the lunch table? We should add all of our kipsters up together. So now let's go in and cross and count all of our kipsters at every table. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oops. All right, now let's go in and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many kipsters do we have all together in the lunchroom? 20, which is a 2 and a 0. Perfect. We have 20 kipsters. So now for our number sentence, you all told me that we were adding them all together, which we did, which is how we got 20. So should we use addition or subtraction sign? Perfect. We should use the addition sign. So our number sentence should look like this. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 20. Five plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. So good job, Kipsters. Keep up the good work, and I will see you all tomorrow.